The Hennessey Venom F5 Roadster is a hypercar that combines extraordinary speed with the exhilaration of open-top driving. At its core lies a powerful 6.6-liter V8 twin-turbocharged engine, delivering an astonishing 817 horsepower. Designed to break speed records, it aims to surpass 300 miles per hour, placing it among the fastest production cars ever made. The Roadster version retains the aerodynamic and performance characteristics of the coupe, while adding the thrill of an open-air experience. Its removable carbon fiber roof allows the driver and passengers to enjoy the open sky at high speeds, without compromising structural rigidity or lightweight construction. The Venom F5 Roadster's design is both aggressive and elegant, with a strong focus on modern lightweight materials and cutting-edge technology. This car embodies engineering excellence, exclusivity, and an unrelenting pursuit of speed, making it a true legend in the world of hypercars.